quick riff number 5 is a continuation of quick riff number 4. It's based off the same idea of using one riff and taking the octaves trick to play that riff in 3 different places and travel up the fretboard with it. So it's the same idea, just a little bit more of an advanced riff, a little harder to use. This one uses a lot of hammer-ons, pull-offs, very legato, not too much picking. So it starts at fret 5. We're in B minor, which is B is at 7, but we're starting on fret 5. And we have, that's 5, 7, 9, all off of one pick. So hammer, hammer, 5, 7, 9. When you get to the next string, or the A string, we now go. So that's 5, 9, 5, 7, 9, all off of one pick. So that first finger is staying nice and planted. So when you put those 2 pieces together, that's pretty much the riff that we're going to use 3 times in a row. Now it's up to you how you like to pick it. A lot of people would sweep pick this downstroke, downstroke, or you could do down, up. When I do it, just my personal preference, I like to downstroke on the first string, and then I use my middle finger, do a hybrid picking, and do a pluck there. But that's just preference. There's no right or wrong way to pick it. So to use the octave trick now, here's where we started the first riff. We got to find the octave, which is here. Do the same riff. Now from that A, we want the next octave, which is here. So now we go here and do the same riff. And that's pretty much the idea. In the riff, I added a little piece to the end of it. So pretty much when you finish that last octave, slide up 1 more fret, still off of one pick there. So now you could choose to pick that note at the end of the riff if you want to. I slide into it and do pretty much all of that with barely any picking at all. And then after you hit that 15th fret, the riff ends back on 14 again. So when you practice this over the backing track, you could start with half time. You don't have to do it at full speed. And slowly work your way up to the speed. So that's quick riff number 5. Give it a shot.